You probably heard this saying, your network is your net worth. It's true. If you did the math, I guarantee you that your net worth would be the average of the people you hang out with. That's the power and the curse of community. It can build you up, but also can pull you down. My name is Dominique Brown, the owner and creator of the 30-Day CRA program. I help people just like you grow profitable credit repair companies so you can have time freedom, financial freedom, and the location freedom that you deserve. I do this by showing you how to get more leads, more sales, and better results. If you want to increase your net worth, you need to get around other people who are where you want to be. These people challenge you. They give you ideas, they show you what you need to do to be successful. This is why I'm constantly joining groups with other business owners. I've dug deep in my pockets and I spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on masterminds to learn from people who are where I want to be, and sometimes even $30,000 per group. But you know what? I 10X my investment every time. Many of the tactics I've learned from these six-figure masterminds, I share in my 30-day credit repair agency. Yep, I spit game I learned from rich folks to you for nowhere near the price I spent, and you are my people, right? And I want you to win. Plus, the 30-day credit repair agency comes with its own mastermind where you can learn from other student rock stars. This is one of the most valuable aspects of our program. Business can be lonely. Your husband or your wife might not understand what you are doing or see the value in it. Your friends might not believe it's possible to make 10, 20, or 50,000 per month, but your mastermind understands what you're working towards. It's full of people like you who want more than clocking in and clocking out, living paycheck to paycheck, or working yourself into the ground until you're 65. If you are looking for people to build wealth with, learn from, and network with, then you don't have to find business-minded friends on your own. We're already in the 30-day credit repair agency program, and there's a spot for you. Talk to you soon. Oh, by the way, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and check out the description below this video. We have updated links to our best programs and offerings that can help you reach your goals faster. We look forward to helping you reach your goals, and we can't wait to talk to you in the next video.